Hi, it's Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm talking through one of the new Mintay collections called Suntastic. Now this is a beautiful summer collection and it's got lovely pastel colours and I'm really excited about this collection. I can't wait to make something with it. Let's begin with the sticker sheet. We've got Sunshine on My Mind, Memories Are Made Here, Chill Out, Love This View, Be More Chill, Sun-Kissed, A Sweet Taste of Summer, Sun and Breeze, Don't Wait for Vacation to Enjoy Life, Suntastic, Having a Good Time, Let's Wander. So it's all about scrapping those summer memories and any memories that involve ice cream, the beach, succulents, and just relaxation. There is the 6x6 paper pad. This paper pad has a thickness of 240 GSM. There are 12 designs inside the paper pad, plus there is 4 of each of the designs and 2 bonuses on the inside cover. So let's take a look. So on the inside cover we have a set of 4 framed images, and then here we have some shutters, some green shutters, but they have sort of like a, I don't know, like a Mexican feel. We've got some cactus plants, we've got this little scooter, and we've got this very rustic page here. And then look at this, this is different. We've got a scene page here, we've got a cliff with a hotel, the sandy beaches, the beach house, a woven basket, a beautiful aqua door with gelati, another shutter in this sort of soft pink, but it's got like an apricot tinge to it, a lovely sunset over the water, a distressed look there, and the aqua and the soft apricot flowers, and then a water page, and then you've got your little tiny pictures here with the frames on the back, and then this just keeps repeating 4 times. Beautiful colours, gorgeous collection. Let's take you through now the bigger pages. So this is the front cover of your 12x12 scrapbooking paper set, and on the reverse you have the images that can be fussy cut. There is also another page, the number 9 page, that has those images as well that can be purchased separately, and on the reverse of that is just a distressed white or cream cement wall. Now let's take a look at the pages and the 12x12, which they are exactly the same as the pages in the small paper pad, but obviously they are a lot bigger. So here's the one that to me gives me that kind of Mexican feel because it's got these cactuses and the hat. And then on the reverse is that really distressed terracotta paper. So that's your number 1 page. Let's move on now to the number 2 page, which is that beach scene. You've got the cliff and the apartments or the hotel there, and then you've got the little beach shacks down here on the sand. There's the woven basket. I think this is probably my favourite page. I really like this aqua door. Here's your cactuses again, so it's very hot here. There's Gelati Wagon. And this is really pretty as well. I do like that. Here is the big ocean picture. And on the back, the distressed one with the floral clusters, but also this wallpaper sort of page here, number 4. Number 5 is just the floral clusters, and then on the back you've got your seafoamy page, and then the number 6 paper, which has got your 3x4 cutouts, which we all know are perfect for card making, and on the back you've got your frames. So this really is a beautiful collection. I can't wait to see what people make with this collection, and I can't wait to have a go of it myself. This is Mintay Suntastic Scrapbooking paper set. Look for it in your local craft shop, or if you are having trouble finding it, it can be bought on Etsy, so keep that in mind as well. Stay tuned for more of the Mintay Papers brand new releases coming up on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and have a lovely crafty day.